In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF files instead of opening them in the Chrome browser. By default, Google Chrome usually opens PDF files in a built-in viewer right inside the browser. That can be handy for quick reading, but sometimes you may want every PDF to download directly to your computer instead, so you can open it with your preferred PDF application, save it in a specific folder, or keep it for offline use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to change that behavior using Chrome settings. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. You'll need to access the main settings area. To do this, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three-dot menu icon. This is sometimes called the More or Customize and Control menu. When the menu drops down, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the Settings page, you'll see different sections listed on the left side. Look for the section related to privacy and security. Click on Privacy and Security to open those options in the main area. This is where Chrome keeps controls for things like site permissions, cookies, and also how it handles certain types of files. Next, find and click on Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, scroll down until you see an option for Additional Content Settings. Click that to expand more controls. Within these additional settings, locate the entry for PDF documents. This is the section that specifically controls how Chrome deals with PDF files. Once you're on the PDF Documents page, you'll see a toggle or option that determines whether PDFs open in Chrome or get downloaded. Turn on the setting that says something like Download PDFs or Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. When this is enabled, Chrome will no longer open PDFs in its built-in viewer. Instead, whenever you click a link to a PDF, it will immediately start downloading to your default download location. After changing this setting, it's a good idea to test it. Visit any website with a PDF link. Click the link, and you should see the file download instead of opening in a new tab. If you ever change your mind and want PDFs to open in Chrome again, just repeat these steps. Return to the PDF document section and switch the option back.